Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Tips and tricks you never heard of in 99 Nights in the Forest. So here I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks in 99 Nights in the Forest. So here's some of my tips and tricks. So one of my tips for you guys when playing 99 Nights in the Forest at the start. First of all, the first night is you are able to for the first night of 99 Nights of Forest, collect as much wood as you can. After collecting all the wood in here, put it all in the crafting machine right here. And don't put it in the campfire. So the first night you can just put it anywhere. Like literally, uh, the deer won't attack you the first night. So there you go. Trick for you guys. And right here, the first night, another tip for you guys is kill a bunny as soon as possible. Kill a bunny, not just for the food, but also for the level up for the on trader later on. So once you got the trader, you'll be able to get much more what they call this sack um, or items when you're collecting out. So I suggest getting the what they call this getting the sack good sack instead of a good axe, because at the start of the game you could just farm wood at the start. So yeah, I recommend doing that. So now we're just gonna kill this guy right here. Come on, come here, chop chop. Nope. Unfortunately, we haven't gotten any, but we have a lot of food, and that's good. Now we're just gonna cut this part right here. It's cut. Toink, toink, toink. I'm just gonna put it right there. So there you go. And another trick for you guys, another tip. So as you can see, there's a lot of saplings. I got a lot of saplings. So there's about how many saplings are there? Um, one, two, three, four. So I got about four saplings right here in my you got this sap. So we're just gonna get another sapling right here. Yep. Nope, there's no sapling. So just get about five saplings. There you go. So you see, now we have our fifth sapling. Now we're gonna plant them all at a one place. There we go. There you go. So when we're gonna cut it, we're gonna cut those five at the same time. That means much more easier, and we don't need a good axe for that. We just need the normal axe. There you go. We're just gonna put that there. There you go. We got a lot. Now, I saw a coal earlier, so maybe at the night two we're gonna maybe just gonna put it right here so we can get to call this um level up fast. Yeah, there you go. And I suggest for another tip another tip for you guys. I suggest using auto clicker. Yeah, at the start of the game, at the start of the game, I suggest using auto clicker so you don't have to keep on clicking the mouse like that. And the auto clicker I suggest is OP auto clicker. So what this does, just every 10 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds, it starts clicking. So we're gonna click F6 to make it start. So watch this. I'm not gonna click on my mouse, just click on F6. There you go. Much more easier to chop wood. You don't have to click on your mouse all the time. There you go. Now we're gonna go to the other tree. There you go, as you can see. Now if we want to stop, just click F6 again. Right, there goes F6. There we go. Stop. Now we're gonna collect the wood right here. Wood, wood, and we're just gonna put the wood right there, right here. There you go. Get coal so we can have the advantage of going around the place. Oh, there's a trader. Now we just need to focus on the bunny. There you go. There you get the bunny. I'm just gonna give it right there. And get the good sap. There you go. So yeah, guys. So that's about my whole tip for you guys. For that's my whole tip for you guys. So as you see, the seed trees right here. Once it grow fully grown, I'll just chop it all. Chop it all. So that's my tip and tricks for you guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys review because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below, and just keep repeating that process until you maybe get to day day 99. Then you'll be done. Hey guys, and a tip and trick for you. Now we're talking about, I'm gonna give you a tip and trick for the late game. So in the late game, um, get as much cultists as you can. Once you kill the cultists, don't burn them just yet. Go to the volcano biome. So load this up for much more quicker. After that, go right here to volcano and give all the cultists. So every time there's a cultist attack, there's always gonna be 8 cultists. So prepare to fight at least 8 cultists. There you go. Now I got us this one, Infernal Sword. We already got an Infernal Sword, but yeah, we already. That's a little bit handy because there's 2 of us. So I'm gonna put the other Infernal Sword there. So and another tip and trick for you guys right here. So once you've reached this part, like almost complete this part, um, save your fuel. As you can see right now, our fuel is going a little bit um slow than usual. Yeah, there you go. And another tip is put all the not necessary stuff outside the base, like the beds. Don't need that inside the base. There we go. This shelters and stuff. We don't need that inside the base. What else? Yeah, and things that we don't need in the base, like those the tents. We don't need those in the base. That's why they're outside. Here, right now, here's what we all need inside the base: teleporter, oil, and respawn. So yeah, that's about it. What you need inside your base. Even the map, you don't need it inside. We can just put it right outside, but we just made it here so it can have like a bow or right here between the foods. So yeah, there you go. And my last tip for you guys, to stay to have much more nights here at 99 Nights in the Forest, build this right here. This one is what it does is a temporal accelerometer. What this does is skips the night next completely after charging. So it only costs 1 gem. There you go. So now on the next night, the night is approaching, as you can see. Watch. So I suggest building this first. After building this, but if your goal is to reach like fast nights, I suggest building this. But if you're playing solo, I suggest building this one first, the capsule. Because here, watch, it's nighttime, but it's gonna turn on morning. There you go. So if you're just playing solo, I suggest start with the capsule. And if you're playing with a team, someone can revive you. I suggest start with the accelerator. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys give up because you enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment below. I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.